For many homeowners in Foley, creating a bathroom that combines safety, comfort, and relaxation is a top priority. One of the best investments you can make toward achieving this goal is installing a walk-in bath. Designed with accessibility and luxury in mind, walk-in baths are changing the way people enjoy their daily routines. Whether you're looking to age in place, recover from mobility challenges, or simply upgrade your home with spa-like features, walk-in baths in Foley deliver the perfect blend of practicality and comfort. Safe entry and exit. One of the most stressful parts of traditional bathtubs is climbing over high sides to get in or out. For seniors or those with limited mobility, this can pose a serious safety risk. Walk-in baths eliminate this concern by featuring low entry thresholds and watertight doors. With these designs, you can walk in and out without straining or risking a fall. This added safety provides peace of mind not only for the user but also for family members who want their loved ones to bathe independently and securely. Ergonomic seating for maximum comfort. Unlike standard bathtubs, walk-in baths come with built-in, contoured seating. This means you can sit comfortably while soaking, without worrying about slipping or struggling to stand up afterward. The ergonomic design supports the body and promotes relaxation, making it especially beneficial for those with arthritis, back pain, or other joint conditions. For Foley homeowners seeking both comfort and functionality, this feature alone makes walk-in baths a valuable addition. Hydrotherapy benefits. Beyond accessibility, walk-in baths also offer therapeutic features designed to soothe the body and mind. Many models include hydrotherapy jets that target sore muscles, stiff joints, and circulation issues. Relief from arthritis pain, improved blood flow, stress reduction, enhanced relaxation. For anyone in Foley looking to create a home spa experience, a walk-in bath can transform your bathroom into a place of rejuvenation. Year-round comfort in Foley's climate. With Foley's warm, humid summers and cooler winters, a walk-in bath ensures comfort throughout the year. In the colder months, warm hydrotherapy sessions can ease stiffness and provide cozy relaxation. During summer, lighter soaks offer refreshing relief from heat and humidity. This adaptability makes walk-in baths not just a seasonal luxury but a year-round solution for comfort and wellness. Independence and dignity. For seniors or those with mobility challenges, maintaining independence is priceless. Walk-in baths empower individuals to bathe safely and comfortably on their own. This independence supports both emotional well-being and confidence, allowing homeowners to enjoy one of life's daily rituals without assistance. For families in Foley, this can reduce caregiving stress while giving loved ones the dignity they deserve. Added home value and appeal. Investing in a walk-in bath doesn't just improve your daily life, it also adds value to your home. Many buyers in Foley are seeking accessible, modern bathrooms, making a walk-in bath a strong selling point. Even if you plan to stay in your home long-term, you'll benefit from a feature that combines luxury with long-lasting practicality. Final thoughts: a walk-in bath offers more than just accessibility. It creates an environment of comfort, relaxation, and independence. From safe entry and ergonomic seating to hydrotherapy benefits and year-round comfort, these baths enhance the daily lives of Foley homeowners in meaningful ways. If you're ready to transform your bathroom into a sanctuary of relaxation and security, a walk-in bath in Foley is the perfect choice. Not only will it improve your quality of life, but it will also provide peace of mind for years to come.